Well, Henry, it's nearly spring, and they've just announced the dates for the farmers' market. Should we think about joining?
I don't know, Evelyn. We lost half our crop to that storm last month. What's left doesn't exactly make for a full store, does it?
I know, the season hasn't been kind to us. But maybe showing up, even with a modest selection, would be better than not going at all. We can bring whatever's in good shape.
We have the apples, yes, and a few jars of jam. But with everyone else there, I'm not sure it'll be enough. We don't want to disappoint the regulars who come looking for our store.
I get that, but think about it. If we don't go, we miss out on the season entirely. There are customers who expect to see us there, even if we have a smaller selection this time.
You've got a point there. We don't want them thinking we've stopped altogether. After all, it's good for us to be part of a community, especially now. It'll remind people we're still here.
And the market isn't just about selling, is it? It's about catching up with everyone, connecting, and sharing stories. I'm sure people would understand if we told them about the storm damage.
You're right. And even if it's not a huge profit, every little bit counts these days. But do we really have enough to make it worthwhile?
I think we do. We can focus on quality instead of quantity. We still have those lovely preserves and those beautiful apples. We could even do small samplings to attract people.
Now that's an idea. Just a small display. Make it look inviting. If we play our cards right, we might even sell out by the end of the day.
Absolutely. And you know, the market's always lively in the spring. People are eager for fresh local produce after the winter. Even if we don't have much, what we do have is good.
I agree, Evelyn. We'll go. We'll bring what we have, and we'll make the best of it. Maybe even bring a few plants as well to brighten the store. People like a bit of greenery.
That's the spirit. And, who knows? This could be just what we need to lift our own spirits too.
I'm with you. We'll head to the market, even if it's just for the chance to connect with everyone again.